I have a strong conviction that the idea of peppered puff came from a Yoruba person and an Ijebu person in particular. Because when you group Yoruba people as those who love pepper the most in Nigeria, you will need to further do the grouping. Ijebu people are top on the list. Please check the caption, you will find the ingredient list and exact measurement there. So let's take this time to talk about a few tips for making really good puff puff. Or puff alata, that is. Follow a recipe like this one so you can get your measurements right. Too much water and yeast are two major factors I think can ruin your puff puff game. So watch it. Make sure your batter is not runny such that it flows easily out of your hand. Then ensure to deflate the batter before frying so that oil doesn't get trapped in those bubbles, resulting in oily puff puff. Stay close and fry on medium heat to cook thoroughly. Gently scoop out butter into the oil by squeezing out a small amount through the hole between your thumb and index finger. Close the hole as soon as the butter comes out. Don't forget to make enough to go round because kasala fit burst if you make something so good but so little everyone can't get enough. Finally, let us thank the inventor of this one-of-a-kind snack. Although it may have been born out of the love for pepper, but it bangs and hits all the right places. Follow for more useful tips and recipes. Bye-bye.